Welcome to Ellis Online. In this video, we will be giving you a brief introduction to Xoom. In a previous video, we looked at Payoneer versus PayPal for 2020. We also told you that PayPal and Payoneer were competitors. But here was the problem: PayPal's customers were taking money from their PayPal account to transfer it to Payoneer. Why? Lots of customers outside United States had trouble connecting their local bank account to PayPal. Do you want to hear more? Stay with us for the rest of the video, and, one more thing, do remember to click that subscribe button. We are always happy when you do. Alright, back to the video. Okay, thanks for staying with us. As we were saying, PayPal didn't like its customers transferring money to their competitors, so they had to come up with a solution, and a quick one. Customers from countries like Jamaica, for a long time, had to find a workaround to get monies from their PayPal account to their bank account in Jamaica. It was a huge headache for persons who do freelance work with companies like Fiverr, ClickBank and lots more. Most customers' best option was to spend the money shopping. Payoneer bridged that gap, but it was an hassle though, as PayPal often didn't link to the banks chosen by Payoneer. So, PayPal responded, and quick as a flash, Xoom was in the marketplace. What is Xoom? Xoom by PayPal is an electronic funds transfer or a remittance provider that allows consumers to send money, pay bills and reload mobile phones from the United States and Canada to 131 countries. In fact, I dare to say, Xoom is one of the best and most convenient ways to receive money from the US to Jamaica. Xoom is a PayPal service deposited directly to your bank account. All the sender need is your address, email, number, account number, and in a day or two, funds will be in your account. You won't be charged any fee to receive funds in your account. Only the sender is charged $5. Which is cheaper than Western Union or wire transfer. You can get your funds directly deposited to Scotiabank, First Caribbean Bank, First Global Bank, JN Bank, NCB, and Sagicor Bank, basically, every bank and most credit unions in Jamaica. Oh, and one more thing, if you found this video informative, please, a like, share, and subscribe would be appreciated. And, just so you know, we love to interact with you, so, feel free to ask questions, leave a comment, or suggest something you want us to cover. Thanks for watching.